Want to earn from YouTube without editing all day or showing your face? This video breaks down how to automate your entire YouTube content workflow in just 10 simple steps, using free tools and AI that do the heavy lifting. Step 1. Pick a niche with high income potential, like finance, digital marketing, or tech tutorials. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Prompt: write a YouTube script for your title in a friendly tone. Step 3. Turn that script into a full video using Lumen 5, a free AI video maker. Choose a clean, professional template and upload your voiceover. Step 4. Use Edge TTS Microsoft to generate a human-like voiceover. The Brian USA voice is natural, confident, and multilingual. Step 5. Create an eye-catching thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Include bold text, bright colors, and visuals that grab attention. Step 6. Add music and transitions in CapCut. Use overlays, zooms, and swipe-ins to keep your video dynamic. Step 7. Get royalty-free music and stock footage from Pixabay or YouTube's audio library. Step 8. Use TubeBuddy or ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly descriptions, titles, and tags. Step 9. Post consistently. Once a week is enough to start. Consistency trains the algorithm to recognize your content. Step 10. Pin comments, ask questions, and reply to build community. Automation grows your channel, but connection builds loyalty. This is how smart creators in 2025 are scaling faceless YouTube channels and making passive income. Comment below with your favorite tool and subscribe for more digital hustle tips.